So first of all, you're going to take this from the SP over here to the VP. So now the SP is your standing point or your station point, and the VP is your viewpoint. Okay, so you're taking a straight line up from the SP to the VP. Now that is your viewpoint. Okay, and now moving on, you're going to remember to do everything in construction line. So if you go back and read, the construction line is a very light line. Okay, so now each of these points on this drawing we're taking towards the VP. Okay, so if you look at that like that, draw a light line there. Okay, see there's all those lines. Now you'll notice that over here I didn't put a line in, but that's because the drawing is going in the right direction. Okay, so it's going this way, therefore you don't have to put a line from here to the VP. Okay, we all there? Can you see all the lines? Okay, I'll make my lines darker. You guys do it in pencil. I'll make my lines darker and I'll just go over it all in pen again. Okay, we'll see the lines now.
So someone to go from this one, you want to go in there and there?
Just the one on the left.
This is one.
Yeah, just that one. Okay. So now, if you watch. Okay, so you can see now, if you look at this top drawing, see the top view, okay, and this is your front view. So now, if you look at the top view, can you see there's something wrong with it? Okay, you look at it, you've got this top piece, which is that top piece. You've got a middle piece, which is here. You've got another piece and another piece. But that's 4 pieces in total, and this only has 3. So this is missing a line. Okay, so all you do is, that's the line that's missing, so you just put on your ruler on that line, and go draw that line in at the top view. So it should look like that. All understand? All good? Okay. Okay. Now we want to go and make this perspective drawing. We want to turn it into a 3D form. Okay, to do so, we're going to use this top view. Okay, so all these top points over here, we're going to take each of those towards the SP, but only stop on the PP line. Okay, so there. There, and there. We'll see that. Remember to do it lightly, eh? Okay, so now the next step. you want to go and label each line. Okay, so let's say this one over here is 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? So 1 is then here, 2 and 3 is then this one, 2 and 3, because that's on the same line. 4 and 5 are on the same line, so then that's this one, so 4 and 5. 6 is on its own, 7 and 8 are on the same line, so we name that 7/8. Okay, let me do that in pen for you so you guys can see it. 1, 2/3, 4/6, 7/8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All good with that? Okay. So now obviously line 1 corresponds with line 1. Okay, so line 1 comes this way, and where it stops on the PP line, you take it down, straight down to the corresponding 1 line. Understand? Okay, so again, that's line 1, right? That's the point of 1. That's coming down here. It stops on this line. You take that down so that it connects with this number 1. Understand?
So, for the new lines and the new blocks, does it matter how far away from it or not really?
No, they just have to be, like I said, each of these top points you keep so that it can cross the SP here at the bottom. Okay, so you draw towards the SP, but stop it on the PP line or the PV line. Okay, so I'm going to go on with this drawing. Same here, 2, so that's the 2 line, comes down here, so we just go and connect it to this corresponding number 2 line. So that's over there, and then you see those two can connect because 1 and 2 connect over there. Then that means 1 and 2 connect over there. Okay, so 1 and 2 connect over there. Okay, now 3 and 2 on the same line, so 3 can just be taken straight down with that line as well. Obviously stops there. Okay, then the next one is 4 and 5, so 4 and 5 is this line. Follow that line up, line comes down to here, and then straight line down to the 4 and 5 line. So that's over there. Okay, same thing with the 6. 6, follow it up, come to there, straight line down. Six is over there on this corresponding 6 line. Connect the 2 points. Okay, those are the 2 points. Then another one is 7 and 8. Now 7 and 8 again are the same line, so you just follow it up, follow it down, and draw a straight line down. Obviously remember that all these lines have to be light. And now you've got it over there, you've got 7, you've got 8. Okay, now you've got all the lines, so you can go and draw them in dark. So it's that one, it's that one, this little line over here in the middle, you'll see it. See over there. That line over there. That one. And then 6 to 7. 7 to 8. And that is how you do a perspective drawing.